All of
ma'am.
you. Any one of you,
And
please
so,
start.
okay, so, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so first word is under the radar. Ma'am, I have to say the spelling also.
Your pronunciation of radar is not correct, dear. You have
Radar.
to
Ma'am, radar.
radar,
Radar.
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 Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So first word is under the radar. So in Hindi is गुप्त रूप से कुछ करना. In English, do something secretly. And the sentence is he is still trying to run his nihilism under the radar. So next is he is doing his work under the radar. So next word is comply. So in Hindi is
Wait,
its
dear.
meaning is
Please wait, dear.
comply.
You just go far from your speaker. Otherwise, your breathe is uh, hitting the speaker, and your sounds are not coming clearly.
And now it's
Okay, yeah,
like
yeah. It's now okay, dear. Please start.
okay,
Please
ma'am.
go on. Yeah.
Ma'am, second word is comply.
Hmm.
So in Hindi meaning of it is आज्ञा मानना. So sentence is children children must comply their parents. And next he always complies me. And next word is nibble. हल्के हल्के से काट देना. So its sentence is see nibble my hand. And next I nibbled his ear because he was troubling me. And next word is nibble. So कतर कतर कुतर कुतर के खाना. So in the sentence is the rat is nibbling the cookies. And next my mother says that I always nibble the food and waste time. And next word is seldom. Kabhi kabar. The sentence is she seldom comes here to meet me. And next, I seldom go to fair with my family. And next word is delicate, means weak and kamzor. So she has a delicate heart. And next is her mother says to the teacher that she is delicate in studies. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. That's all about the meanings and all. And Karan, you didn't write the sentence with under the radar, and I'm waiting for your
Yeah, ma'am.
answer. Hmm.
I written the sentence. Can I tell you?
Yeah, you can, dear.
Okay, ma'am. Under the radar means गुप्त रूप से कुछ करना. Do something secretly.
Hmm.
In sentence, under the radar, he ate junk food.
He
वो
eats.
वो
He eats.
चोरी छुपे means
हाँ, वो ये चोरी छुपे कुछ.
वो चोरी छुपे वो चोरी छुपे जंक फूड खाता है.
Hmm.
बाहर
That
का
means
खाना खाता है.
yes. He eats junk food. He eats junk food under the radar.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's EATS. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So next one thing is that today up to this much advanced vocabulary I have given. Today I shall be starting group discussion. Okay. So
Okay.
topic you will choose. Which topic you want to choose? You want to discuss with. So all of you, three of you will be joining each other, and you will be talking about English, spoken English classes. What are the things are going on? What part you are not answering? You are not understanding. Which part you like most? English grammar, about the tenses, and you can ask to each other also about grammars also. Some many questions you can ask. So you please start your discussion, all of you. join with you think that you have met with each other, and you have started discussion, and your discussion topic is given English, spoken English class or English grammar. That means about the English language you have to speak on. Okay, so let me see how do you handle the conversation. So please
I
start.
mean, any topic.
Any this topic only English language, about English language, spoken English class, or English grammar, whatever you have understood one thing, this is not understand by you, then what was the meaning of this one? So how do you how you are preparing all of the things. So everybody join, three of you join with each other and start talking when
Okay, ma'am.
I want to say you something again. You have only 1 or 2 minutes, so within 2 minutes you have to join in with each other. And sometimes, when teacher is not there in the room, then students are talking with each other so deeply. That's why, like that, you have to do. You have to forget everything. You have to think the teacher is not in the classroom, and you are going on talking with each other. Okay, so let's start.
Hi, both of you.
Hey, hello. How are you? Both.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, also I'm alright.
So what's going on?
Nothing going. Nothing is going on. What about you?
Yeah, everything is fine. Are you taking the online classes of English speaking
Yeah,
daily?
yeah, daily. Only there is a gap of Sunday.
Oh yeah, same as here.
Or in a month, at least one or two function is there. So there is also a holiday like Holi and Diwali. Like this, there.
Yeah, there
So,
is many festival in this month.
yeah.
So what is the topic nowadays going on?
I think advanced vocabulary and tenses.
Are you understanding that all?
Yeah. What about you?
Yeah, same here. Are you doing advanced vocabularies? Yeah, vocabularies
Yeah.
only.
What? I didn't
Are you
understand.
doing advanced vocabularies on yeah only vocabularies?
I am doing advanced vocabulary actually.
Did you done the vocabularies only?
No, I also make it sentence and its meaning I understand.
Yeah. What did you wrote? Can you send me?
Okay, I'll send you. You give me time of 5 minutes.
No, later you can send me.
Okay, then no problem. What about you? Are you listening my words?
Yeah, of course. What were you telling? Can you recapitulate?
Yeah, yeah. What about you? Are you understanding all the
Yeah, I am
things
understanding.
that was happening in the class?
Yeah, the same. Nowadays there is advanced vocabularies and some group discussions.
Yeah. Actually, I love group discussion because there is no use of copy and at all.
Yeah, me too. Group discussion and extempore speech is my
Yeah.
favorite. What did you think? What is the boring part of English grammar?
Boring part. Oh, boring part is grammar structure.
I I think there is vocabularies because advanced vocabularies is nice, but I don't like vocabularies only.
Yeah, I also don't like to read
There
the
is one sentence only.
word
One
meanings and
words.
the terms.
Yeah, one words there is. And in advanced vocabulary there are 3 or 4 words. So I like that.
Ma'am, I think 5 minutes are already completed.
Yeah, your spoken English, your spoken terms was really very nice. And tomorrow it is your both of yours is homework. You have to be ready with the question answer. Again, I will have this group discussion about this same topic. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.